Hello everyone. So basically I'm gonna be showing you guys today what an average day looks like of me driving to school. It's not gonna be boring. I'll just tell you that it's not gonna be boring. So I'll show you guys. This is the beauty right here. Finally got an alignment. It looks it's pretty good. No, actually it's really good. It's just back tires stick out a little bit. Actually that tire sticks out more for some reason than this one, but we took it to a good place, so I don't know if they messed it up. I don't think they did, but it looks good, and I don't think there's any rubbing, thank God. So maybe if there's a lot of people in my car, but I don't think so. I really hope this GoPro doesn't fly off my head, but yeah, so I'll show you guys basically what a day of going to school is like for me. Yeah, so these wheels, they're a lot wider than my old ones by actually 2 inches. They're wider by 2 inches. Technically for the 8th gens, the ideal setup you want to be running is most likely 17 by 8.5 or 17 by 9, plus 38 or plus 35 or plus 40. But these wheels were a 17 by 9.5 plus 45. So without a spacer, that 100% would have not fit. Okay, it has a spacer on, so it's a plus 40. And I looked online, it said the widest you can go without rubbing, even though I am rubbing, is 9.5. And I think the only part I'm rubbing is, but yeah, so I went to go get an alignment, and thank God it is straight. It is like very, very good. I have 2.5 degrees of negative camber in the front and 2 degrees of negative camber in the rear, and stock toe out. So for the toe, with the 8th gen, if it's OEM, then it would be 0%, I believe, in the front and 0.09 in the rear. So it's not a whole lot. But yeah, this is like basically like one of like 6 ways I can get to my school. But yeah, it's the most fun. Now I'm gonna be completely honest. I usually don't go on this road because there's some pretty nasty like bumps and potholes. Basically, one of the days, hopefully this doesn't happen, God willing, I'll be fine because I got an alignment. But one of the days that we went, I hit I don't know what I hit, but it basically, I think something in the front left got messed up a little bit, and it ended up making this weird sound. So hopefully whatever I do, that doesn't happen. We just had someone turn onto the road in front of me. That's a little bit upsetting, considering the fact that he's not going to this church. Yeah, there's some pretty bad bumps here. Anyways. hearing some sounds coming from my brakes or feeling some sounds. So hopefully, what the hell was that? Hopefully it's all good. I want to be careful around here because sometimes there's bikers. You know. Oh no. Shoot. We got blocked off. Oh my gosh. We got blocked off both ways. That is so funny. I gotta get a better phone mount. Oh, this person pulling over. That's good. Let's get a better phone mount. Hopefully all the suspension components are good. Yeah, there's some bikers. Man, this is shaky. Oh my god, it's like not even holding it. Alright, there you go. What the? Okay. Alright, are we good? Yeah, I think we're good. Hopefully that stays, man. I really need to get a better phone now. Part's pretty tricky too, because you know, yeah, that kind of sucks, but I think it's good because this guy's turning in right here, perfect, so I think I should be fine to go. I just grinded that gear pretty bad. So also I think my brakes are a little bit cooked. They don't seem to be doing that good. We also just, after I grinded that, I tried to put it back in and it wouldn't go back in. So I was holding the clutch and I made that turn. And we kind of lost a little bit of traction, almost just hit a bird. Yeah. Usually I don't, actually, no, I was going the speed limit. Usually I don't go that crazy doing the speed limit like that. But, yeah, I just wanted to like show you guys, you know, for the content. Yeah, usually I'm just like, at the speed limit, I would be going like making those turns a little bit like soft and stuff. But yeah, so that was pretty fun. That's like a regular day. Hopefully all the suspension components are good, because if they're not, then that would suck. And we don't want to have any more problems. So yeah, usually I don't run that road because, as you can see, it's a little bit bumpy. But it's fun. No, yeah, it's fun. So, and that's not my first time going on that road, you know. When I didn't have springs, I would go on that road quite a lot, or not springs, when I didn't have coilovers. So it wasn't like as stiff, I would go on that road quite a lot because my stock suspension could kind of handle it. Felt like a rally driver kind of. But you know, even then it's pretty fun. But yeah, that grind was not good. So that sucks. But I think it's good. Yeah, goes back into third perfectly. Thank God. So as of right now, I've not found any issues. Hopefully we don't find anything. Actually, no. Yeah, hopefully, God willing, we don't find anything. But yeah, so the rest of my drive is kind of just whatever. But yeah. So anyways, guys, this has been your boy. I really hope that my GoPro captured everything, because if it didn't, that sucks. But yeah, so this has been your